Hello students, next topic is movement along supply curve. A movement along the supply curve is caused by changes in the price of the good, other things remaining constant. So basically, the factor which is responsible for the movement along supply curve, that factor is price of the good itself. Due to change in this factor, it causes a movement along the supply curve. Other things remaining constant means the factors other than price of the good, which includes input prices or technology, number of sellers, expectations. So all the other factors other than price of the good, they are assumed as constant. Okay. It is also called change in quantity supplied of the commodity. तो जब मूवमेंट होती है उसे हम ये भी बोलते हैं चेंज इन क्वांटिटी सप्लाइड ऑफ अ कमोडिटी. क्वांटिटी सप्लाइड, ये मेन वर्ड है यहाँ पे. ओके. Movement along a supply curve can bring about expansion or extension of supply, and the second one is contraction of supply. तो movement के दो केस बनते हैं, पहला expansion और extension of supply, दूसरा contraction of supply. Expansion or extension of supply refers to rise in supply due to rise in price of the good. So expansion और extension of supply का क्या मतलब है कि जब price increase होगा, it will lead to increase in quantity supplied. It will lead to increase in quantity supplied, and this particular case means, or this particular case is known as expansion or extension of supply. Contraction of supply refers to fall in supply due to fall in price of good. और contraction of supply क्या है? Contraction of supply है when price decreases, quantity supplied also decreases. So this is known as contraction of supply. So here we have this hypothetical schedule which shows the expansion or contraction of supply. Let's first focus on this part, original supply schedule. So original supply schedule में क्या है? Price है हमारे पास ₹10 और quantity है 20 units. That at a price of ₹10, quantity is 10 units और इसका reference point है point A. तो अभी हम सिर्फ इस original supply schedule पे focus करेंगे. That at a price of ₹10, quantity supplied is 20 units, reference point A. तो इस तरीके से आप डायग्राम यहाँ पे बना सकते हैं. वर्टिकल एक्सिस पे आप लेंगे प्राइस, हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस सप्लाई. एट अ प्राइस ऑफ ₹10, क्वांटिटी सप्लाइड इज 20 यूनिट्स और ये इसका रेफरेंस पॉइंट हो गया विच इज पॉइंट ए. ओके, फाइन. नाउ लेट्स फर्स्ट come on to expansion. This is the revised supply schedule. Okay, so let's first focus on expansion part. What is expansion? Expansion says when price increases, quantity supplied also increases. Okay, so when price increases from ₹10 to ₹15, price increase हुआ 10 to 15, तो quantity supplied भी increase हो रही है from 20 units to 30 units. When price increases from ₹10 to ₹15, quantity supplied also increases from 20 units to 30 units. This is the case of expansion. ठीक है. So at a price of ₹15, quantity supplied is 30 units. Let's take it as point C. Okay. Now movement from point A to point C. This is the upward movement, which is expansion. तो आपको ये बात याद रखनी है that if there is an upward movement along the supply curve, it means expansion of supply. Okay, quantity supplied यहाँ पे increase हुई है from 20 to 30 due to the increase in price. Clear? Upward movement along the supply curve means expansion of supply. Okay. Now let's come on to the contraction part. What is contraction? Contraction says when price reduces, quantity supplied also reduces. So when price reduces from ₹10 to ₹5, price decrease हुआ from ₹10 to ₹5. Quantity supplied also decreases from 20 units to 10 units. तो जब price decrease हुआ from ₹10 to ₹5, quantity supplied also decreases from 20 units to 10 units. This is a case of contraction. At a price of rupees 5, quantity supplied is 10 units. Let's take it as point B. Now movement from point A to point B represents downward movement, which is contraction. तो जब सप्लाई कर्व में डाउनवर्ड मूवमेंट होती है, दैट मीन्स इट इज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ सप्लाई. सप्लाई जो है, जो क्वांटिटी सप्लाइड है, वो डिक्रीज हुई है फ्रॉम 20 यूनिट्स टू 10 यूनिट्स ड्यू टू द डिक्रीज इन प्राइस. ओके, थैंक यू.